Boneset, especially the leaves and the flowering tops, possess several properties that are beneficial to the body. Drinking a hot tea can help ease the symptoms of fever, as it stimulates perspiration. In addition, it also releases phlegm, and it encourages the elimination by the means of coughing. It's known as the sweat plant, and it can be used to alleviate various types of fever, mainly by inducing the sweat. As we know, it's an effective diaphoretic agent, and this encourages the sweating. By encouraging the sweating, the natural diaphoretic agent forces the body not only to cool down, but also to release several harmful toxins through the skin. The herb has a long history of use for being used for treating influenza and fever. It was used to treat influenza during the First World War. The herb is consumed to help to repair broken or fractured bones, to alleviate bone pain and even recalcify the teeth. This is because the boneset tea increases blood circulation around the body tissue that surrounds the human bones. The herb has been scientifically proven to build healthy bone mass, hence it can be used to alleviate various symptoms of muscular rheumatism as well as to treat arthritis. Apart from that, the natural herbal infusion also works on the nerves and the joints, both of which are major parts of the skeletal system. Boneset is a powerful anti-catarrhal herb, and when consumed, it offers relief from congestion by clearing the mucus that's present in the upper respiratory tract. Simply brew and drink hot boneset tea. This not only brings on the perspiration, but also helps relieve any aches and soreness that's related to a flu or a cold. The herbal tea can be consumed to address numerous digestive problems. It can be consumed to increase appetite, remove stomach parasites and worms, alleviate constipation, treat indigestion, and offer relief against stomach muscle tension, among other common digestive related problems. The tea is both a mild laxative and a diuretic, and it makes it a powerful constipation remedy, and it can also be used to encourage the flow of urine. Research was carried out on malaria-infested mice, and it was found the boneset might be a good complementary or alternative treatment for malaria. Boneset is also used to ease painful muscle and joint aches from fevers and rheumatic conditions. The natural remedy plays a major role in motivating the production of white blood cells, and these effectively work to destroy any disease-causing microorganism in the body. Animal studies show the boneset has numerous chemical compounds like rutin and flavonoids, and these work together to safeguard blood vessels against inflammation. It has powerful antibacterial properties, and this helps the body to form a powerful shield against various disease-causing organisms. Boneset is particularly effective for treating dengue fever, a mosquito-borne disease that causes severe joint aches. It's used in the treatment of influenza, colds, acute bronchitis, catarrh, and skin disease. It's been shown to encourage resistance to viral and bacterial infections and reduce fevers by encouraging sweating. The leaves and the flowering stems are antispasmodic. They're cholagogue, diaphoretic, emetic, feverfuge, laxative, purgative, stimulant, and vasodilators. The herb was used against colds. It was used in the treatment of rheumatic illness, skin conditions, and worms. It was used for treating flu and fever, and it was used by the Native Americans to treat malaria. It helps to reduce fever by promoting sweating, reducing aches and pains, and relieving congestion by loosening phlegm and promoting coughing. It also encourages the immune system, which encourages the destruction of the influenza virus. For bronchial conditions, it can be mixed with pleurisy root and elecampane. The Native Americans used it for arthritis, indigestion, constipation, and the loss of appetite. The flavonoids it contains show promise as a natural remedy to help to fight against tumours. It's been used as a folk remedy for fibromyalgia, diarrhea, and intestinal worms. It can reduce the symptoms of arthritis and malaria. It has the ability to aid and to calm skin diseases, and it's been used to treat yellow fever and typhoid. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's used to treat fractures, yellow fever, wounds, coughs, and the flu. It can be taken as a tea or a tincture. For a tea, 1 ounce or 25 grams of herb is placed in 1 litre of boiling water and it's let to steep overnight. This is strained and drunk throughout the day. For a tincture, the fresh herb in flower is used at a ratio of 1 to 2 with 95% alcohol, and then 20 to 40 drops are taken 3 times per day in hot water. Some recommend it should not be used with a fever in excess of 102 degrees. It's also suggested not to use boneset for more than 6 months. As it's potentially toxic, it should not be used during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Ingesting large amounts of the tea can result in severe diarrhea. A hot infusion in a large quantity can cause vomiting. The plant contains trace amounts of pyrazylide alkaloids, and those who are suffering from liver disease should avoid them. The herb can cause an allergic reaction, especially in people who are sensitive to the Asteraceae or the Compositae family. The herb should never be ingested fresh, as the fresh plant is toxic due to the volatile oil that it contains. It may cause excess fluid loss from the body by decreasing the body's potassium supplies. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.